For the last 5 years or so, we've been filling this dining room here at the Culinary Vegetable Institute on Mother's Day for tea. Grandmothers, mothers, daughters, past, present, and future. We've always served a Mother's Day tea too, and it's a fun way to experience a day, to pamper yourself and celebrate a holiday that's worth appreciating. In this Mother's Day tea package, we've really been exploring flowers in all sorts of shapes and sizes. The greenhouse has been providing us with edible flowers. And all of these we dry down. Into a tea. The tea is a really just beautiful version of what we might serve in the dining room. Beets, hibiscus, vanilla. I love this tea. It comes from a partnership with Rare Tea Cellar and here the Culinary Vegetable Institute. We're going to serve that tea with a candied mint leaf. These sugared mint leaves are very simple to make. It's something you can make at home. It's a really cool way to preserve a pack of mint. And when you're ready to use it, just throw a few in your glass and give it a stir. In this box, we have a dry mix of shortbread cookies. You'll receive this mix. In it, lemon verbena, mint, and more flowers. All you need to do is add butter. When you make those cookies, you'll mix together a simple royal icing. You'll top them with more flowers and serve. They're really simple, delicious, easy shortbread. We made lotion. The lotion's been a fun project for us. It's a way to explore aromas in their botanical space. You know, how do ingredients interact with oils and how does that age on your hand? So we're really excited about this project. It's something we'll be exploring further, but we're doing this for you to start. And finally, one of our favorites, best for last, champagne and flowers jelly. This is a project with one of our friends at Prospect Jam. We've taken champagne and apples and we cook it down with flowers, strain it. When you receive this jar of jelly, you'll see a layer of dried flowers on the surface. Stir those in, spread it on anything, toast, sandwiches, shortbread cookies, and serve. Between the dry mixes, the teas, the lotions, the jellies, a brief window into our world of managing agricultural overage. You know, where the farm keeps farming and we keep producing product, we're going to find ways to make those more shelf-stable, more interesting, and more seasonal. As the season progresses, we can lean into these things. When the flowers are done, the beets, we're really excited about this project. We're excited for Mother's Day this year and hope that you love this as much as we do. Happy Mother's Day.